Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be purging my closet, which clearly needs it. I got a bag ready for trash, a bag ready to donate, a little box for things that go in another room, and anything I'm going to keep will be sorted on my bed. Alright, let the fun begin. It's time now to take everything out of the closet. Carter wanted to say hi and to see what Mommy was up to. Now that I've got all of my clothes out of the closet, I'm going to sort through each of them and pick if I want to keep it, donate it, or throw it away. Some questions that I ask myself that will help me decide whether or not to keep the item are things like, do I still wear it? Is it in good condition? Does it still fit with the current style? Or do I have any upcoming events that I would wear it for? Going through and putting all the ones that I chose to donate in the bag marked donate. Here I'm going to sort all the clothes that I'm choosing to keep into categories, as well as go through them and reevaluate whether or not I want to keep them. I was really motivated to get a lot of my closet purged this time. So by taking a second look, I was able to get rid of a lot more items. To clear out all of the shoes up at the top of my closet. I even found some random things up there, like that towel rack for my bathroom. And now I'm sorting through all of my shoes, thinking about those same questions I did with my clothes to decide which ones I wanted to keep and which ones I wanted to get rid of. Saying goodbye to shoes is really hard for me because I always think there's going to be somewhere that I go to that I want to wear them again. But I just had to keep reminding myself that I needed to get rid of a lot of them in order to make room for any new ones that I wanted to get. And this whole box here are the ones that I'm getting rid of. Since everything's now out of the closet, it's time to clean. Putting all my shoes back into the closet. I would like to find a new way to organize them up here. It's just kind of a weird space. So if anyone has any good ideas on how to organize or how to store my shoes up at the top of my closet, leave it in the comments below. Now I'll keep my clothes better categorized and put them back into the closet. They have a lot more room to breathe now that there's not as many stuffed in there. Well, I'd say that was a successful purge. I got rid of all of this stuff out of my closet. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.